Welcome to my course, How to Use a Style Guide. My course is designed for University of Arkansas employees coming from a broad range of backgrounds that are generally unaware of branding and its importance in a company or an institution. So my lesson starts off explaining how employees are informal brand ambassadors, and I cover some branding basics and share highlights of our institution style guide in another screen capture. The lesson also directs them to the appropriate department to ask for additional help if they need branding help in the future. I focused on selecting content that could apply to many jobs across departments in our institution. I provided 2 short articles to read that were not institutional but are outside resources outside of my video that define and talk about branding. One has images and examples, the other is a little bit more straightforward. I also shared links to these 2 other corporations' branding guides to show the depth and variety in brand guides in and of themselves. Then I have an optional discussion board where people can share 2 or 3 sentences about what they like or don't like or how we could improve our style guide, and then share some industry jargon specific to their role. Then for the assessments, let me go back to here. We have the creating a presentation. I chose this hands-on project for something that people in many roles request and then also use. It is not necessary for them to use it in the future. I just thought it would be kind of funny because I get asked to make presentations a lot, so it's kind of turning that on its head. And we also have a multiple choice test in here. Prove you can use a style guide. This test relies on reviewing the examples from the branding guides to be completed. So I chose to make the test open resource to minimize test anxiety and cheating, but it will still evaluate the learner's ability to utilize a style guide, which is more similar to the real world experience anyway. Like, I don't care how long you've worked at a company unless you're the one that wrote the style guide, and maybe even then if you like work at IBM or Apple, there's no way you remember every single piece that's in there. That's my course, How to Use a Style Guide. I can't wait to see what you all have built.